Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to increase or decrease a text box font size using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. I'll decrease this text box font size. Click on this home option, this menu bar. Now click on this edit option and drag your mouse cursor, select on this text box and this right side increase and this left and this top. Also you can increase decrease with same ratio here and click on this format option. Here also you can add custom font size and make it height 200 and wide I'll make 800 and press enter and see this, and height also I'll make it 150 and see. In this way you can change your text boxes font size. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.